Oh. What's this? Okay, this is from the bee. Ian, how do you open this?
I don't know what that is. Good luck.
Alright, thank you. I'll let you know when there's more for you. Okay. So, this is from the bee. Don't trust the bee in apartment 23. It's so cool how stuffed toys just expand when you open them. Oh, it's a onesie. Oh, is this? It's a bee. Oh, cute. So cute. A little onesie. Maybe I put it on. But I'm not gonna lie, it's really hot right now after like carrying all of this. But I can try it on. You guys really love bees, huh? Is this from KB Killer? It says it's from the bee. Wait. I lost it. But thank you, the bee. Is it a friendly bee or a stinging bee? Is there something on the butt? I mean, let's see. Let's put it on. Bee, bee, bee. Didn't you get Starbucks too? Yeah, I ordered egg bites earlier because I was hungry. Loki, my tummy's growling, but it's okay. We'll do this after, before the game. Cute! Whee! With my antlers. Cute! Thank you. Do I have a stinger? Oh, I'm a friendly bee. I don't have a stinger. Thank you. Thank you so much, the bee. The bitch. Thank you. Yay. Okay. Add that to my collection. I'll be using these for streams too, including the Era blanket. That's mine. Okay, next. Let's do this. Oh my god, this is so heavy. What is this? This is a workout, man. Where's the scissors? Also, let me make it more aesthetic. I'll put the cat here. There. Yay. Okay. So I was sitting on the scissors. Let's open this. She's not going to use a single thing from this. That's a lie. I keep everything from my P.O. boxes. Everything. Everything in the background is from my P.O. boxes. Mostly. Beep, beep, beep. Okay. Next we have enjoy your gift from Arctic Puffin. Thank you, Arctic Puffin. Let's see what this is. It's over here. Yes! I love this. We have some hand and toe warmers because I'm always so freaking cold. I was gonna get my own. Thank you. I need this. I will use this to sleep every day because my feet get so cold all the time, even when I'm wearing socks. But thank you. Oh, yes. Never point scissors towards your hand. Okay, okay. I'll be more careful. Thank you, Arctic Puffin. This is so damn heavy though. But thank you. Okay, I'll put it over here. Alrighty. Let me just fix this over here. Okay. Next. Let's do this on top. Don't forget suitcase stuff too. Oh my god, yeah. Forgot. Okay. Maybe after this we do the big box and the suitcase. This one is oopsies, did a poopsies. It's a poop pillow. That's so cute. Oh, holy shit. It's just missing a halo. Cute. Oh, it can walk. Poop, 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 poop. That's me. Every time I send the Elmo pooping gif, I'm actually on the toilet. Okay, because usually in the mornings I send that. Thank you. This is from, does it say? No, it does not say. Yes, for Nick. Oh, it's not for me. Okay, this is for Nick. So when he comes back, I'll give it to him. Enjoy your gift from Oppenheim. All right. Okay.